Hi guys, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights। इस्लामाबाद कैपिटल टेरिटरी पुलिस एंट्री टेस्ट की तैयारी के लिए पाकिस्तान करंट अफेयर्स के चंद इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। मज़ीद किसी भी किस्म की एंट्री टेस्ट की तैयारी के लिए हमारा चैनल मसरूर एजुकेशन इनसाइट्स सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ Who is the current head coach of Pakistan men's team in Test cricket? The right answer is Jason Gillespie. Next is who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan? The right answer is Justice Qazi Faiz Issa. Next question is who is the current governor of Punjab is? The right answer is Sardar Salim Haider. Next is what is the current State Bank of Pakistan interest rate in Pakistan? Answer is 20.50%. Next is who among the following is the current president of Pakistan? Asif Ali Zardari is the right answer. Next question is who is the current governor of Balochistan? Answer is Jafir Khan Mandukhail. Next question is who is the current governor of Sindh? Answer is Kamran Khan Tisori. Next is who is the current governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? The right answer is Faisal Kareem Kundi. Next is who is the current foreign secretary of Pakistan? Answer is Cyrus Sajjad Qazi. Next is who is the current chief minister of Gilgit-Baltistan? Answer is Haji Gulbar Khan. Next is who is the current chairman of Council of Islamic Ideology of Pakistan? Answer is Muhammad Raghib Hussain Naimi. Next question is who is the current Chief of Army Staff Pakistan? Answer is Sayyid Asim Munir. Next is who is the current Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence? Answer is Lieutenant General Nadeem Anjum. Next question is a total of dash amendment to Constitution 1973 have been passed by the Parliament. Answer is 26th. Next question is who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to USA? Answer is Sardar Masood Khan. Next is which is the number of current National Assembly of Pakistan? The right answer is 16. Next is who is the current chairman of WAPDA? Sajjad Ghani is the right answer. Next is who is the current Inspector General of Police Islamabad? Answer is Ali Nasir Rizvi. Next question is who is the current Aviation Minister of Pakistan? Answer is Khwaja Muhammad Asif. Last question is who is the current Chief Justice of Sindh High Court? The right answer is Justice Akil Ahmed Abbasi. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos.